Hello, everyone. I hope you are all fine. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. It has a strong life lesson. It also has simple daily life sentences. Please practice this story and repeat it with me. Now, let's start.
My name is Rohan. I live in a small town where dreams look bigger than buildings. Every morning I wake up before the sun. But my life was always dark inside. People see my smile, but they never see my fear. I was afraid of failure. I was afraid of people laughing at me. I was afraid to try something new. My room was small, but my worries were huge. I always told myself that maybe I am not special. Maybe I was born to live a simple, silent life. But deep inside my heart, a small voice whispered, "Change your life." One day I looked at myself in the mirror. My eyes looked tired and confused. I asked myself, "Rohan, what are you doing?" Years were passing, but nothing was changing. I was waiting for a miracle. But miracles never knock on lazy doors. That day I felt something different. It was pain, but it was powerful pain. I realized that no one is coming to save me. No rich uncle, no lucky chance, no magic. Only me, only Rohan. I decided to start small, very small. I woke up 30 minutes earlier. I stopped wasting time on useless scrolling. I started reading one page every day. At first, it felt boring. My mind wanted comfort. But my heart wanted change. I chose my heart. Every small action felt like a tiny victory. No one clapped for me. But I started respecting myself. People around me did not believe in me. They said, "Rohan will never change." Some laughed, some ignored me. It hurt me deeply. But this time I did not stop. I remembered my old life. I remembered my sleepless nights. I remembered my silent tears. That pain became my fuel. Every insult became my motivation. I was slowly becoming stronger. There were days when I wanted to quit. Some mornings felt heavy. Some nights felt lonely. I failed many times. I made mistakes again and again. But this time I did not blame anyone. I took responsibility. I learned from every failure. I told myself, this is part of the journey. Growth is painful. But regret is more painful. So I kept moving. I changed my habits. Then my habits started changing me. I began exercising daily. My body felt active. My mind felt clear. I avoided negative people. I listened to motivational talks. I wrote my goals on paper. Every night I read them again. Slowly, my confidence increased. I was not perfect. But I was better than yesterday. One day something unexpected happened. An opportunity came to my door. Before, I would have been scared. Before, I would have said no. But this time I said yes. My hands were shaking. My heart was beating fast. But I moved forward. That small step changed everything. Sometimes life tests your courage. If you say yes, doors open. If you say no, doors close forever. Success did not come suddenly. It came slowly and silently. People started noticing my change. They asked, "Rohan, what happened to you?" I simply smiled. They saw confidence in my walk. They heard clarity in my voice. They felt strength in my words. I was still the same Rohan, but my mindset was different. And mindset changes destiny. I finally understood this truth. My biggest battle was not outside. It was inside my mind. Negative thoughts attacked me daily. They said, "You are not enough." But now I had a reply. I said, "I am learning." I said, "I am improving." I said, "I am growing." The voice of fear became weaker. The voice of belief became stronger. I was winning my inner war. And that was my real victory. I started helping others. I shared my story openly. Many people related to my pain. Many were struggling silently. I told them my secret. There is no secret. Just discipline. Just patience. Just daily small actions. Change does not need money. Change needs decision. And decision needs courage. Sometimes I sit alone and remember my past. I remember that broken version of me. I feel proud of that Rohan. Because he did not give up. Today my life is not perfect. But it is meaningful. I still face problems. But I do not run away. I face them with courage. I believe in myself now. I respect my journey. I trust my process. Every sunrise feels like a gift. Every day feels like a new chance. I am not lucky. I am disciplined. If you are watching this, listen carefully. I was not special. I was not talented. I was not rich. I was just tired of my old life. That was my turning point. The day you get tired of excuses, that day your life will change. Maybe you are waiting for the perfect time. But perfect time never comes. Your life will change the moment you decide. And that moment can be today.